In this problem, we're asked to find the quotient and remainder by dividing 3x to the 4th plus 11x cubed minus 22x squared plus 3 by x plus 5. Since the divisor is of the form x minus r, we can use synthetic division to perform the operation. So x minus r equals x plus 5, or x minus negative 5, implying that r is equal to negative 5. Next, we check if the dividend is written in decreasing powers of x with all x terms accounted for. So we have 4, 3, 2, there is no x term, and then x to the 0 for the last term. So for our synthetic division, we are going to write the coefficients starting with 3, and then 11, negative 22, writing 0 as the coefficient of the missing x term, and then 3. And then we write our r, which is equal to negative 5 here. Next, we bring down 3. Multiply 3 by r to get negative 15. Add to get negative 4. Multiply again to get positive 20. Add to get negative 2. Multiply to get positive 10, which is also the result when you add. And then finally multiply to get negative 50. 3 and negative 50 gives us negative 47. These are the coefficients of the decreasing powers of x in the quotient starting with x cubed, which is 1 degree lower than what we have for the dividend. So we have 3 x cubed minus 4 x squared minus 2x plus 10, with the remainder equal to negative 47. So the result, when you divide 3x to the 4th plus 11x cubed minus 22x squared plus 3 by the binomial x plus 5 is 3x cubed minus 4x squared minus 2x plus 10, remainder negative 47.